Hello and welcome to this Power BI tutorial. We are continuing our tutorial series, and in this tutorial we are going to discuss three functions: round, round up and round down. So let's start. Let's take a table first of all. So we have this sheet table. Here we have this number log1, which is basically having a lot of decimal places. So we are going to use this. So let's start with round. Okay, so let's create a new column and let's go ahead and say round. Okay, and we'll call it round, and let's try to understand all three functions. So we say round, and we are going to say round and log1 comma 2. Okay, so what we are getting, second decimal place rounded. So this one is 4 after this one, so it's not going to get round. This is already 0, so let's search for, like, this is 1. Okay, 0 7, so we got 1. Okay, so round it to next decimal place depending on the value. So it was 4, so it's going down. It is 5 and above, and all those logics are there, and is going to do, like, similarly in this case also. This was 9, so it's get rounded up to the next higher level. And so we have these numbers, like, now this is 643, so it's going to be 64. This is 781, so 78. Okay, now let's say round at 1. So let's say round at 1 decimal place. What happens? So we got rounded at 1 decimal place. Now it is 2. This is 8, so this is going to get next decimal place. This is again 0. This is again 6, so this is going to get next decimal place. Okay, let's say we say round to 0. So round to 0 means 3, 4, and depending on this. And let's say if we say round to -1, what happens? So you are seeing zeros and ones, because round to -1 means we are even coming out 1 decimal place ahead, and we are trying to now rounding it on the outside the decimal places. So you can see if it is below 5, it's going to be 0. It's above 5, it's going to be 10. Okay, so those numbers now you are getting. Fine. So now this is what round does. So let's keep it as 1 only, and now let's try round up and round down. How do they make a difference for us? So let's try round up. Let's say we'll create both the columns and try to understand them. So round up, again we are going to take log1 column, and let's start with 2. Okay, let's create one more column, and we'll compare both, all three of them. So let's say round down, and round down is the function, and let's say we take log1 again, and let's take 2 decimal place, and let's try to understand this. Okay, so, and let's make round also at 2 decimal place, so we can differentiate how and what is happening. Okay, so all three 2 decimal place. Now you see this is 3 3, irrespective of whatever is there, it is up, means go to the next level. So sometime you might get a case where they say, okay, irrespective of whatever it is, I want to go to the next higher number, let's say to the next 10th number, or next 1 by 10th number. So this is where round up. Or if you want to go down, like say it's 3.4, still you want to go to 3, or it is 3.4, you want to go 4, which way you want to go based on that. So similarly, this one is going to be 3.32, this is going to be 33, and round can be one of these two numbers depending on where this digit lies. So this is 4, so it's going to go the down. Now this is case where it is 7, this is going to equal to round up. So now this is 7, and it's going to equal to round up. Now but in this case it's 0, it's going to be 90. So we have round is 906, so 6 is which is going to make it 1, and this is again round up. And let's take, this is again going to be round up case, this is again going to be round up case, this is 07, so again round up. Yeah, 3 to 1. Okay, 3 to 1 is round down. Okay, same as round down, because 1. So it is always round. A round is either round up or round down depending on the position after the next decimal place. So we are talking about 2, so it is going to be decimal place third, which is going to decide. Okay, so third decimal place is 5, so it's going to decide, like, it is going to be round up, it's not going to be round down. Okay, so that's round for you. Now let's go ahead, and we tried -1. Let's try -1 here, and let's try -1 on the round up also, and all three we are going to take round. And again we are going to take similar kind of results, and you can see actually. Okay, fine. Okay, we have not set this as -1. Let's set this as -1. Okay, again depending on the position, either it is matching with this one. Now this is actually 1, so it's making it's all 0. Round up is also becoming 0, round down is also becoming 0. But other than that, in these cases you can see mostly we have the places where it is all 10 10 10, it is also 10 10 10, and it's round up or round down where it is equal. Round down is 1. We need to have better numbers to put that in. So this is 1 decimal place, this is 1 decimal place, this 2 decimal place, okay, and all round up and round down, so we can see these numbers are coming in. So go ahead and try these out. What kind of results you get? Are these results in the expected line or not? So sorry, see, these are the numbers, log 1, then this, because the log was 0, so this is how we got it. So basically let's understand how this number has come out. So what happens, this is round and this is round up and round down. So look at this number, this is at 0, so this coming 0, but all these numbers are kind of around 10 only. So we are getting either 10, or most of the time we're getting 0. We can actually go ahead and try it on values basically. So we can go ahead and say, let's say values here, and that is a bigger number, so we should be able to get much better. See, you can see now here much better variation out here. And let's try values out here also, and let's try values out here also. So if we look at values, you will see much more variation. Now we came out of the decimal places, so we are trying to do this round at the first unit place, and then now you see again round will be either round up or round down depending on the where the position is. So here it is round up, and here it is all three are equal, and because there is no change in the decimal place, so this is again, unless you have the first place which is like this is 2, this is 3, so here there would be variation. But if it is like only 20, it's already 20, 0, there's nothing. 100, no variation. Okay, 1000, no variation. 2 we will have variation, 5 we will have variation, and 2.7 we will have variation. So all these variation you can see. So try this out, try these three functions out, very important. You will have use cases where you can only use round up or round down. And that places you have to go ahead and use round up and round down. Round is definitely, and one more thing, which is basically round is not available also here, round is also available, rounding is also available here. So you can actually go ahead and say I want 3 decimal places, so you will get 3 decimal places out here, so number will get rounded out here. So but what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it default only. So let's say auto. So does it take, or now let's make it 10 decimal places. Okay, so we got our number back. So this is automatically converted into auto. So what we have to do is basically try these things out, and do let us know if you want something else to be covered as part of our tutorial series. Go ahead and subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that you can get notification for our new video. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.